Hi friends, this is Jivan. Okay, friends, before that, in the last episode of our Chhatrapati Shivaji, I will tell that I will upload the part 2. Because of it, I am uploading it now. Without wasting time, we will go to our video. Before that, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. And we will see the was Shivaji is lower caste and how many wives Shivaji Maharaj had and how was Shivaji died and why his Chhatrapati Shivaji is famous. Okay, before that we will see the basic thing of him. His father name is Shajaji and his mother name is Jijabai, and he is born in the 3 April and 1680s in that time of an Indian ruler, and he is also called as Bhonsle Shivaji. Okay, Shivaji Bhonsle I, and we will see the first. It is how he is famous and why he is famous. Chhatrapati Shivaji was one of the bravest, most possessive and sensible ruler of an India. He is a very sensible, and you can think as like an heroes how the films in now the times it kind of the real hero. It is Chhatrapati Shivaji, known as the father of an Indian Navy because he is an father of Indian Navy. I think he is an powerful of water, means a ocean, means a navy of his dominion or kingdom. Okay, Shivaji was the first to realize the importance of having a naval force, means the navy, water force, and therefore the strategical establishing a navy and the fort at the coastal to find the Kontal side of Maharashtra. This is the thing. The when we are searching in the Google is saying. The next thing we have asked some questions. No, because of it, I am telling the answers and this. The next answer means the question. It is how was Shivaji died? Nearly 300 years ago. Means we can keep it as 350 years ago. On this day, April 3, 1980, Maharashtra warrior, means Maratha warrior king Shivaji Bhonsle, better known as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, died after will with fire and destiny. Known for his military and might possessing rule, and Shivaji's Maratha navy fought several foreigners and conquerors, including the Mahal. He is an perfect, means he is an perfectly he is an navy ruler. Navy is you can keep it as navy's king, the god of navy. He is also known as the god of navy. And how much the this is our third question. How much wives the Shivaji Maharaj has had? 8 wives. However, content websites like an Lockdown and the Indian Farmers, okay, confirm that had the total of 8 wives, that including Sagunabai, okay, Sagunabai, Lakshmibai, Gautamabai, and as well as the while his first wife born him Sabaji and their daughters. Okay, if any pronunciation is wrong, please forgive me. Soyabari and born him as son, and Ramanujam and his daughter Deepabai. This is the 8 wives of him. If you want to search, you can search in the Google. Okay, another question. It is the Shivaji is an lower caste. You also add the question. I am also having that question. What it is, we will see, and we will see the some of the interesting things of two facts and extra. Chhatrapati Shivaji belongs to an lower caste. He is a lower caste guy, born in 1927 into a family of Maratha Barcutus. Okay, if any pronunciation is wrong, please forgive me. Shivaji's caste debuted has arisen many times, even after 300 years of death. Okay, still now, his father Shahja Bhonsle was in lower caste Marathas, and the community was considered as Shudra at the time. But now we don't know. Why the father of navy is he? Why the god of navy is he? We don't know. And who is the father of Maharashtra? He is also the Shivaji Bhonsle. And who is the father of Indian Navy? He is also the Shivaji Bhonsle and also called as Chhatrapati Shivaji. Who is the god of Navy? He is also the Shivaji Bhonsle. Okay, and we'll see another fact also. We have to tell that one fact. It is who was the last Chhatrapati. Okay, he is the Chhatrapati of Hindwai Saroja. He is Trapat Singh. He is the last and the lastest Chhatrapati. Okay, this is our end of our video. If you want, I will upload the third part of this. Okay, this is our end of our video. Until then, bye from Jeevan.